Okay, guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Pretty Isha, and I'm back with another video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit that post notification bell. As you can tell by the title, y'all spending a little day with me. But as you can tell in this video, the first thing I'm doing is taking out my hair, y'all. Like, y'all saw them braids. Them braids is so freaking old, y'all. Like, y'all look at this. Like, it took me a while to take these braids out. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like I said, and don't forget to follow me on all platforms. On TikTok at glamorous_girl with the double L's at the end, and on Instagram at the real pretty girl E. And I'll be sure to follow back. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoying this video and stay tuned. Okay, guys, so I'm done with this side. Y'all look at this big ponytail. Y'all, my hair was not like this. Y'all, my hair was really, really short. Like, y'all look at this big ponytail. Period. I'm gonna go get a wash though. And then I got a few more plaits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plaits. And y'all look, period. Y'all gonna go get all this wash. Y'all look at my hair just coming out. Oh well, but I'll be back when I'm finished this side. Cause y'all, I'm watching a movie. And this movie is too lit. And yeah. I'm gonna just vlog a little bit of me taking this side out. And then I'm gonna finish this movie. So, yep. Continue watching. Okay, y'all, so look, I'm done just combing it out. And yeah, y'all, it was time for it to come out. Y'all, look at all this new growth. Y'all, look at this. Y'all comment down below if y'all go like get washes and stuff from salons. And that's what I'm finna do. I'm finna wear my regular hair for a while. Cause baby, we gotta wear our regular hair for a while. Did what I could. Come out what I could. Now y'all, my bag of rubber bands. Now let's put it up on this and see how it looks. Y'all look at these ponytails. That look crazy. Let me puff it down some. Y'all look crazy. Look crazy. Let's see. Hold up. Let me do this one over with a rubber band this time. So y'all, let's see how it look. Y'all look about the same. I ain't gonna be struggling with this, cause no, I ain't gonna be doing all this. But y'all, this how it look, period.
Mommy, you look pretty.
I look pretty, you like it?
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, so I'll see you guys when I get to the salon, baby, cause baby, this gotta be washed, treated, all that. So I'll see you guys when I get to the salon. Okay guys, so we have arrived. Y'all, my baby wanna walk to the store. Like, girl, should have been your butt in school. Say hi to you too.
Hi, you too.
But yeah, y'all, we just walking to the store. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get inside the salon. Y'all, this gotta be done. Baby, this gotta be done. baby.
Somebody's house. I mean.
Okay, guys, so I couldn't record that much because y'all, she was washing my hair, y'all, and it was hurting so bad. Like, I'm super tender-headed. And then, like, after she washed my hair, she was coming and y'all, I was about to cry in that chair. Like, I know how kids feel, y'all. I was literally, like, about to cry, y'all. Then the blow dryer, y'all, they don't use the comb on the blow dryer. Y'all, they use the blow dryer with the brush. Y'all, it was just, like, before this clip, y'all gonna see it. Y'all, it was hurting my head, like, but y'all end up wrapping it because I like it like this. It's better for me. I could better tame it. And yeah, I'm gonna keep my hair like this because I also have my church banquet coming up. So next month. So yeah, I'm not getting my hair done until for the banquet. So from now on, I gotta ride this out. And if I get my hair done, it's gonna be like maybe a week in advance. But yeah, we on to our next stop. So guys, we inside of Worth It, unfortunately. 2T, 4T. Lexi, think you just fix your sister or get her 3T? It's about your size, girl. We gonna get her 3T. Hold on, y'all. I'm finna pick up. We getting scrunchy socks right now. You don't need orange because your feet don't fit orange. You need this color. Because your shoes, remember your shoes this color? So you need this color. You got green. You want some black scrunchy socks?
Black scrunchy socks, yes.
Did I buy you red already?
No.
And then we gonna get red. And that's it.
I know I have.
Okay, guys, so I went inside Foot Locker and couldn't record because they was playing music too loud. And I went inside Worth It. Y'all know Worth It play music. And then somebody was stealing, so I didn't want to have all that on recording. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get to our next stop. Y'all look, they got the berry strawberry frosty bag. Y'all know I'm finna get it, period. But yeah, y'all, we made it to Wendy's. Y'all, this is what I ordered. Kids meal, 4 for 4, and a biggie bag for $5. And my total is $14.54, period. Hey guys, so she got the 4 for 4 with the cheeseburger. I got the $5 biggie bag. And she got the kids meal, and that's our drinks. Lunch day with my babies as well. Okay, y'all, so I done made it back home or whatever, and y'all, I started my day late, which I'm mad because I didn't get to do everything I needed to do, but at least I got most of the stuff that I needed to get done. Like, I took out my hair, I got my hair washed. After me getting my hair washed, I went to the store to try to find, you know, like some different shoes and stuff, but couldn't find shoes. I went to Worth It. It was too much going on at Worth It. It was too much going on at Foot Locker. Like, y'all, I just like couldn't record that much. But yeah, but that's why the video is so short or whatever. But yeah, then I end up going to another Foot Locker because I had to end up leaving the Foot Locker I was at before to go get my daughter, because by the time I was about to finish everything and going to the mall, y'all, it was time to get my daughter from school. And yeah, I wasn't finna get her late, so I ended up getting her. So I went to a Foot Locker close by my house, and let me show y'all what I bought. So y'all, I bought these, and they was on sale for $29.99. But y'all, I did not pay that. I paid $19 or $20. I paid $15. I paid $15 for these. $15. Y'all got the 50% off, and then they had a, first of all, they on sale. Then they got a 50% off. And then they had a promotional sale. So y'all know I had to hop on it. Y'all. Then your girl got some Uggs. Okay? Y'all. I know I'm late. I don't care. But I love some Uggs. If y'all know me, I love some Uggs. Like I got the purple ones. Like the purple color mixed ones. I got some cream ones. And then y'all. Let me open it up. And then y'all, I had to go get some black ones. Period. And they fit my feet. Let me show y'all. Y'all look how they look. Period. And they fit my feet. Period. My feet small, so your girl got a 4 in kids. But it's cool. But yeah, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And definitely don't forget to comment down below what you want to see next. And definitely don't forget to tell a friend to subscribe to this channel. Like, y'all, like, help me out. Y'all, I am a single mom. And I just want to set my kids up for success. Like, being like in front of a camera is was always my dream. Like I always wanted to do modeling, or I always like wanted to be like a professional person to take pictures, and I always wanted to be on Disney Channel since I was a child. So I can't do all that stuff, so I decided to make me a YouTube. So yeah, like, enjoy this channel. Like, nothing but good vibes over here. Good vibes, good vibes, good vibes, good vibes. But yeah, like I said, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Put God first in all that you do, and He will direct your path. And just have faith in God, and everything will fall into place, because faith make things possible. Without faith, everything is impossible. And yeah, that's just how I feel. And yeah, peace. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.